first time back out on the water, man. Got him going to the high.
Told y'all.
Yo, what's happening, y'all? Boss man CNB Outdoors. Came down here to the place today, put some feed out. I had to go to Palestine earlier today to get some paperwork and stuff. While I'm out here, I bought a new magazine for my 22 mag. This is a Ruger BX-15 Magnum rimfire. So I had been having problems with the magazine that came with the gun. The bullets was getting hung up, jamming, wouldn't extract and all that kind of stuff. So I can't remember which round it was. I think it was the CCIs. But I got the new magazine. I got Winchester in here right now. We're gonna shoot the Winchester, see what it do, and then we're gonna put some CCIs in there and see what they do. So y'all stay tuned. Had some problems with it going in. So it went in, but it was kind of rough. So let's see what it do from here on out. Got hung up. These the Winchester. There you go. Got hung up again. See, look. Look what it's doing. See right there? Look. Look. That's what it's doing. Look at that. See what it's doing? These are the Winchesters. Doing the same thing. So I wasn't, this rifle not sighted in, so I was just really just shooting. So that was the Winchester. And y'all seen what he was doing. So next we're gonna try the CCI. All right, y'all, we back. I let the rifle cool off a little bit. So now we got these CCIs. So let's see what they do. First one went in, all right. I'm trying to see where these bullets going so I can adjust the scope while I'm shooting, but can't really tell where they going. All right, let's see. Oh, got a hang up. Look. Look at that. Got a hang up. So usually when I just stick my finger in there and press it down, it's back ready to go. So kind of seemed like we had more hang-ups with the Winchester. We had a couple hang-ups. I think we had like 2 hang-ups with the CCI, and with the Winchester, I can't remember what the count was with the Winchester. I think it was 4, 5, 6. So I don't know. Could be the magazine, could be the ammo. I don't know, but y'all drop a comment and let me know. But when it jam up, all you have to do is press down on the bullet, smash down on it a couple of times, and it's ready to go again. So it could just be the magazine. Probably just need to run some rounds through it and loosen it up, loosen that spring up a little bit, but could just be that. So y'all drop a comment and let me know if it's the ammo or if it's the magazine. But that's it, y'all. That's all I got for y'all. Y'all drop a comment, give your boy a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're not a member of the CNB family, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. We out of here.